Warning: chemistry is dangerous. Do not attempt anything without proper safety training, a proper chemistry class, and proper safety equipment.
I am now using text-to-speech to allow me to edit videos faster than normal. Sorry about the inconvenience. Today I am making hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is the lightest element and is about 4 times lighter than helium. Hydrogen also makes up about 75% of the entire universe. To make hydrogen, I need 27 grams of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is exothermic when mixed with water. I also need 18 grams of alumina. I'm using aluminum foil as my source of aluminum. Water is also used as the source of hydrogen, as well as a catalyst. I measure out as close to a perfect amount as much as possible, along with some math, and I should end up with 15 liters. I don't want to make too much and have the balloon pop, so I want to intentionally underfill it. I fill the balloon with a little bit of water to help start the reaction when I want it to. I put the neck of the balloon around the bottle. I use a glass bottle as a reaction container because of the narrow neck, and I don't want to break my own glassware. I dump the water in, and the reaction starts producing a lot of heat, allowing it to form the hydrogen. It starts to float a little bit, but as the very hot hydrogen cools down, it becomes a little bit denser, and it starts to sink a little bit until it does not float anymore. Once the balloon is filled, I tie it up, then I light it on fire to see a nice fireball. It gives a nice small boom and some fire. I decide to do it 4 more times. I get 4 more bottles and do the reactions at the same time. As the balloons got bigger, there was some wind and rain due to an unexpected storm. The wind ended up knocking over some of the balloons, causing the hot caustic mixture to get into the balloon. I was worried that the balloons would pop due to the mixture, but luckily they didn't. I managed to get them all tied up and on some paracord. I light the first one, and it doesn't explode into the ball of fire I wanted, instead it just pops. I light the next one with an augmented propane torch to allow for better range. The balloon pops and even lit the next one, which was exactly what I wanted. I was briefly engulfed in fire along with my phone, but it was fine as it was quick. I then light the last balloon, and it is decent as well. I still had the bottles producing hydrogen gas, however, it was just venting into the atmosphere. I got curious and I tried to light the bottles on fire, and it gave a nice jet of fire. This was fun, so I did it several more times. Make sure you check my community tab for updates and information about videos. You can also choose what video I upload next in the polls. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.